Hi guys, it's Lindo here. I'm back again. So today I will be doing the breakdown analysis of VIX 100, right? If you can check on a monthly time frame, right? The market is on an uptrend, right? So when the market is on an uptrend, what do? You look for buy opportunities, right? Because the momentum is to the upside, right? So if you can check here, I'm having this diagonal resistance over here. I'm having this diagonal resistance over here, right? I'm having the diagonal resistance, because remember we have two types of support and resistance. We have the horizontal support and resistance and the diagonal support and resistance. And then the diagonal support and resistance, we spot it using what? Using the trend line, right? And because there are many ways in which you can use a trend line. You can use it to spot the previous support and resistance, which are diagonally. 2, you can also use a trend line for making entries. 3, you can also use a trend line for spotting the trend reversal. So there are many ways in which you can use a trend line, so depending on your trading technique or your trading style. All right, so if you can check here, if you can check this point, which is 4071, it was what? It was our resistance before, right? And then if you can check here, this arrowed green candlestick, it managed to break that resistance line. And then after a breakout, prices went up until where? Prices went up until 4749, right? And then from where? From 4749 up until what? Up until from 4749 up until 1426, right? Prices was doing the correction move of right? So remember the correction move, because remember in a market we have two types of movement. We have the correction movement and also the impulsive movement. And then the impulsive movement is always greater than what? Is always greater than the correction move, right? So as I spotted my diagonal, and I also have this support over here. Okay, as I've spotted my diagonal support and my diagonal resistance, because it touched how many times? 1, 2, 3, and then from here I'm expecting a reversal, right? But the market will not just reverse. There are some of the rules that need to be met before the market reverse. So what I'm expecting before the market might reverse at that resistance, I'm expecting a monthly candlestick to close above what? Above 49. From there I can start expecting a reversal, but from now on I'm still expecting a VIX 100 to continue to be more bullish up until a monthly candle broke above 4749. Because if you can check here, after that candlestick have broke above it, then there was a reversal, and also I'm expecting a candlestick of a monthly to close above, because remember we're using the previous data to predict what? To predict the future, right? So then from there we move to a weekly chart, and then on a weekly chart it's where I will be also identifying all my obvious support and resistance, right? All my previous support and resistance. Okay, if you can check here, now I'm done identifying all my obvious support and resistance on a day. Then if you on a weekly, right? Okay, then if you can check on a weekly, this point which was 4196, it was a resistance before, and then this candlestick, this arrowed one, it managed to break above this that resistance line. And then if a resistance line is broken, that resistance line is no longer a resistance but is the support. And then at a support, we look for what? We look for buy opportunity, because we buy low when the item is cheap, right? And then if you can check here, after it broke, it went up until where? Up until 5162, and then from 5162 up until 4196, prices was doing what? Was doing the retest, or was on a correction phase. So from this point I'm expecting prices to continue up until where? Up until 5162, right, forming an impulsive move. Because if you can check here, at this level there is a rejection. That rejection, there is 1, 2. Unfortunately, this one is currently moving. I cannot confirm with it. I only confirm with closed candles. So there is a rejection around this important level. So it's an indication that we might expect the beginning of what? Of the impulsive move, right? And then now we'll move to a daily chart. And then on a daily we have this beautiful W formation, and also we have this minor support. I'm just creating the zones. We have this minor support and the minor resistance. Why I'm saying it is this point, this one which I've created the zone on it, this one and this one. This is the minor resistance, this is the one, because it is formed within what? It is formed within 2916 and also what? And also 5162, because this point are the major swing high and the swing low. So any support level that will be formed within that zone or within that range, it is considered as what? As a minor support or resistance, right? Then since I'm having a W formation, so as you all know that there are many ways in which you can trade M and W. The first way is to trade on the second leg, because we have a first leg, second leg. We trade on the low of the second leg, And then the second way in which you can trade a W or M, you can trade on the breakout of the neckline, but that one is kind of late, so I do prefer trading on the second leg, and then where it reach a neckline, then it's where you will be checking your profit, waiting for another entries, right? So from here I'll be adjusting all my so I'm also done identifying all my support and resistance, and then from there I will be moving to 4 hour. Then on 4 hour, if you can check here, from here to here, from 4715 to 3943, the prices was doing what? Was on a correction phase. It was creating the lower lows and lower highs as it was approaching this key level, this key support, right? And then from there, as I said, that there are many ways in which you can use a trend line. I also use a trend line for making entries, right? Okay, okay, there was a breakout here, right? You can check here this arrowed candle, this one, it broke above that diagonal resistance, and then prices came back for retest. And then if you can check this candlestick, there was a rejection and it managed to close above that support level. Now it's a support because it was broken. And also there is this what we call it, the bullish order block. Prices was retesting this order block, and then meaning at this point there was a confluence. What is a confluence? A confluence is whereby our technical tools are generating a same signal, and then prices at this candlestick, it rejected this area, and then from there it continue going up. And then now, since you have lost the entry down there, you can also enter afterward, after the breakout of 4349. Why? Because 4349 is the very, very important level, because it was the last lower high going down. So if a price is break here, meaning now it will be the beginning of what? Of the uptrend on 4 hour. And then from there I will buy up until 4715, and then from there I will check whether I find a breakout at what? At 4724, because that point 4724 is a neckline of that W formation, right? And then I will buy up until 5162.